So children, now we will learn about unseen passage. So what is unseen passage? It is the passage that you have never seen before, okay. So you have to read it carefully first, then you have to understand it, then we will solve, then we will find some answers to the questions given, okay. So the question here is, read the passage and answer the following question. Rinky's class goes to the carnival. So this is the story of Rinky, and she is about to go to carnival, okay, with her class, okay. Here see Rinky, Rinky's class goes to the carnival. It is lots of fun. Yes, they are going to carnival, so it is lots of fun. First, she plays a few games. So, what she do first? First, she plays a few games. Rinky wins a toy bear and a red ball. So, Rinky wins a toy bear and a red ball. She eats some fries and chocolates with her friends. So, she eats some fries and chocolates with her friends. They also go to see a puppet show. Which show? Puppet show. Rinky can't wait to go home. She wants to tell her mom about the fun day. So, Rinky wants to go home and tell all the fun she had there to her mom, okay. Children, now we will read questions, okay. Question 1, where does Rinky's class go? Question 2, what does Rinky win? Question 3, what does she eat? Question 4, which show do they go to see also? Question 5, whom does she want to tell about the fun day? So children, you have read the passage, you have understand it nicely. Now you have to give answers to the following questions, okay? Okay, our first question is, where does Rinky's class go? Okay, so we have read it. Now we will find it answered in the passage, okay? So children, we have to search words given in the question here in the passage and find the correct answer, okay. What is the question? Where does Rinky's class go? So we have to search for words Rinky's class go. So here it is, okay. Rinky's class goes to the carnival. So what is the answer? Children, I will write it on the board, okay. Answer 1, Rinky's class goes to the carnival. Children, you have to write C capital of carnival, okay. Rinky is a name of a person, so you will write R capital over here, then C capital over here, okay. Now we will move to our next question, okay. So children, now we will see question 2. What does Rinky win? So you have to search for words Rinky win in the passage. Let us see. So Rinky's class go to the carnival. It is lots of fun. First she plays a few games. Rinky wins. Here it is, okay. Rinky wins a toy bear and a red ball. So this is our answer 2, okay. Rinky wins a toy bear and a red ball, okay. Now I will write it on board. Answer 2, Rinky, again it is a name of a person, so we will write it in capital. First letter will be capital. Rinky wins a toy bear and a red ball. R-E-D, red, B-A-L-L, ball. Okay, this is our answer 2. Now we will turn to question 3. So our question 3 is, what does she eat? Okay, so children, what we have to do? We have to search for words she eat. Let us see. So Rinky wins a toy bear and a red ball. This is done. Now here it is, just next to answer 2. She eats some fries and chocolates. Okay, she eats some fries and chocolates. Okay children, now I will write answers on board. Answer 3. She eats some fries, F-R-I-E-S, fries, and chocolates. Okay. Children, you can see for spellings in the passage. Okay, you have to write down correct spellings of the words from the passage. Okay. Now children, we move to our, okay, this is answer 3. Now we move to question 4. Question 4 is, which show do they go to see also? Okay, we have to search for words show, go to see. Okay, these are the words we can search. Now look over there. So she eats some fries and chocolates with her friends. They also go, here it is, they also go to see a puppet show. Which show? Puppet show. Okay, correct answer is, they also go to see a puppet show. This is answer number 4. Okay, children, now I will write it on board. Answer 4. They also, T-H-E-Y, they also go to see a puppet show. P-U-P-P-E-T, puppet, S-H-O-W, show. Okay children, now we will switch to question 5. Question 5 is, whom does she want to tell about the fun day? So we have to search for words fun day. Okay, whom, when we use WH words, whom, when we want to talk about a person. Okay, so Rinky can't wait to go home. She wants to tell her mom about the fun day. So whom did Rinky want to tell about the fun day? Mom. Okay, correct answer is, she wants to tell her mom about the fun day. Okay, this is our answer number 5. Okay, so children, now I will write it on board. Children, answer is, she wants to tell her mom about the fun day. Okay, about the fun day, F-U-N, fun, D-A-Y, day. Children, okay, so these are the answers to the question. So children, I hope you enjoyed this and learned how to find answers of unseen passage, and you have enjoyed the story and understand that too. You have to do your copywork very neatly, very beautifully. Thank you.